Can you turn a YouTube channel into a $5,000 or more monthly income stream? You bet you can, and I plan to prove it to you. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you are in the right place. I'm 62 years old. I've never built a real YouTube channel before, and I'm starting this one with one goal to see if a regular person can turn YouTube into a $5,000 a month income stream. Not as a celebrity, not as a kid doing viral stunts, just by using experience, knowledge, consistency, and a plan. And if you ever thought you were too old, too late, or too far behind to start something like this channel is for you. You can probably already tell I suck at this, which is kind of the point of this whole channel. Watch someone who has no experience fumble his way through to turning nothing into $5,000 a month in income, and I will do it. Hi, my name is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Not Dead Yet Media. I'm not here to tell you I already made it. I'm here to show you what it looks like to start from scratch. Now, is $5,000 a month possible? Absolutely. Some channels make millions, but that's not what this is about, and that's not the point. The real question is whether someone like me and maybe someone like you can build something realistic, useful, and profitable with no real experience. I've wanted to start this channel for over 3 years, believe it or not, and the honest truth is I talked myself out of it. I told myself I needed better gear, better plan, more confidence, more time, but really I was just scared to start. So why $5,000? Well, for me, 5,000 a month is not about Lamborghinis, mansions, or internet fame. It's about options. I could help cover bills, travel, hobbies, health insurance, or maybe even allow someone to retire a little early. For me, it's about supplementing Social Security and making up for some retirement planning I wish I had taken more seriously years ago. I want what I suppose most people want to live and enjoy the lifestyle you've envisioned for yourself, even after retiring. And when I say make money on YouTube, I'm not just talking about ad revenue, getting monetized. I mean, that may be part of it eventually, but there are so many other income streams available: affiliate links, digital products, coaching, sponsorship, courses, consulting. I mean, the channel becomes the platform, but the business may be much bigger than YouTube itself. I hear a lot that, "Oh, that's for kids or for the younger crowd. I'm too old." Are you too old? Really? My answer, heck no. There's some great channels out there covering many different things. Large channels making some pretty good money. There's 50, 60, 70, even 80-year-old YouTubers out there that they're crushing it. The amount of experience, advice, knowledge that we have is extremely valuable, and we should be sharing it. This is by far the hardest video I will ever make because it's the first one. Yes, it's uncomfortable. I have never really filmed myself before. Like I said earlier, this video took 3 years just to get to this point. What makes me so mad is all of that wasted time that I could have been here sharing, helping. Heck, I may have reached that 5,000 goal by now and been able to put my notice in and retire early. Jeez. So, who is this channel for? Well, anyone wanting to set up and grow a YouTube channel, regardless of your age. And I'll get into that a little bit more here in a bit. But I would say some of what is planned here is maybe geared a little towards 50-plus-year-olds, but I do believe it will be very beneficial. So, just about any age person. But I do believe it'll be very beneficial to just about any age person. That some part that will be related to retirement planning, which honestly, even 20 something should be doing. And when I say planning, I'm not just talking about saving money, though. Actual planning. Start thinking about what retirement might look like for you, what your goals would be by the time you hit that retirement age, what that retirement age might be, whether it's financial goals or just a timeline. It's really the purpose is to aim for reaching that goal and planning for it to hit it so that you can retire early, have the money you want when you retire for all the vacations you want to take or what have you. A little about my background. I have no real YouTube experience outside of a podcast, and that was a faceless channel with a buddy that involved stock trading. So totally unrelated to this if it hasn't been obvious at this point that I have no experience here. But I do have 40 plus years in sales and marketing. I've been a business entrepreneur. I've bought distressed companies, brought them back to profitability, sold them. My background is what I feel will help me make this channel a success, honestly. You need to know marketing for sure in the YouTube business, I believe anyway. especially if you're planning to make a valuable side hustle out of it. And we'll get a lot deeper into that in some upcoming episodes. But marketing is very learnable. So be sure to subscribe, and I will teach you everything I know about it. This channel profile, what's the channel about? Becoming a creator and making money on and off of YouTube. You're building a brand, basically. I think if a lot of more people thought of YouTube as a brand and built it and marketed it as a brand, it would be a lot more successful. But we're also going to get into a lot of basically everything from start to end. Making your first video, and I've got a lot to say about that subject. As you can tell, this is not a perfect video by any means, but it doesn't need to be. So what will we get into? We're going to get into channel setup, gear, editing software, finding your niche or niche, whichever way you say it, making your very first video, and I've got a lot to say about that, marketing, developing an actual marketing plan, retirement planning will be touched on some, end of month updates. At the end of every month, I will go through sales, marketing, etc. I'm sure the first months will be pretty short videos on the successes or where the channel has gotten to, but I know that will take time. But I plan weekly, maybe sometimes twice a week videos. My plan is to literally document the process I went through to get here and beyond. More like a living documentary, I guess you would say. I've also started a downloadable guide to help others get started. I hope to have that done probably in the next couple of weeks, but think of it more along the lines of a downloadable starter kit checklist. Start from where you actually start your researching to your niche to making your first video. One thing I've already learned is there's a lot of confusing information out there. Some of it is outdated, some of it is incomplete, and some of it's designed more to sell you something than actually help you build a site. So be cautious. Part of this channel will be sorting through the good, the bad, and the ugly, I guess, if you will. I don't know exactly how long this will take. I don't know what will work. I don't know what won't, but I'm going to show you the process, the honest process, the views, the subscribers, the mistakes, the tools, the wins, the failures. If it works, you'll see it and how it works. If it doesn't, you'll see what I learned. Either way, we're going to get better together. All that being said, help me on this journey, if you will, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you too have been waiting on the sidelines for endless amount of time, or what niche it is that you would like to build your channel around. And remember, monetize your passion, fund your future, and I'll see you again soon.